Okay, hi guys. So, hopefully you can hear me, but I'm back, and this is the drawing. I lost my pen. This is the drawing that I'm going to be working on today. We need to do. Kali, hi. This is my official hello. This is the pose that I want to do, and I'm going to use a 3D model to pose it. Today, I want to share some of my tech talk tips when it comes to like what I like to do to be more efficient, I guess, or optimize my digital art process or my Webtoon process. And these aren't like hard rules that I follow, but it's just, something that I do. I'm doing great. How about you? I'm doing good. I got some carrots. I got my lights set up, and it's just like a vibe. It's like a vibe. So I'm enjoying the vibe. I'm doing good. So thank you for asking. So we're going to go ahead for today's live stream. We are going to pose this character. I already got the pose that I want to do, and it's this one right here. So we're going to pose this character. It's going to be for Oriana for a super secret project. And then we are going to, I need to like change her body type to be like the exact like dimensions that I want Oriana to be. And yeah, so let's go ahead and have them facing forward. So first I'm going to zoom this in, and then I'm actually going to move my mouse. I'm going to put, right now this layer is above my sketch layer. So to help me, I'm going to take this layer and I'm going to drag underneath it. And I'm going to move this 3D model, I'm going to move it like over top of my sketch. And then from there, I'm just going to like, because I know some people ask you, well, how do you pose? It's hard to pose. And when you're like, when you're new to stuff, it's very like difficult to pose. Oh, I'm splattering. It's very difficult to pose. So this is one of the things that I like to do. I like to move my 3D model layer underneath my sketch reference. And then I'll just start like placing it in spots for the pieces to line up with the sketch. And that helps, for me, it helps to act as a guide so that my brain knows where stuff goes. Because again, I have a memory disorder. I don't know what I cannot see. You know how some people, they can do like animations and in-betweens and they can visually see like the next head turning thing in the angle? My brain cannot do that. Same thing with poses. I can't like pose it without knowing where it should be posed. So I have this, and I like to use these dots. You can use this precision editor that like edits individual parts. I like to like start off with the dot. So I'll just tap the 3D model again, and then I'll just use the dot. And what I like about the dot is that it'll move the whole entire like body for you. Like it maps out like the arm and shoulder and whatnot. It's just not like that specific part. You see, it's pretty cool. It's intuitive. But anyways, let's go ahead and just pose this. Now, I know there are some people who might say, oh, well, this is taking too much time. It's too hard for me, or it just takes too long. I can just do. Don't do that. It is okay if you don't want to use 3D models. Just because I'm using 3D models does not mean you have to use 3D models. Totally okay. Totally okay. If you do want to use it, totally okay. If you don't, totally okay. But this is just what I'm doing. This is what I like. Make it skinnier, it'll look better. No. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this, and then click on that. It's like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and go like this. Let me see her arm. I want the hand to go up. It looks like I'm gonna have the hand go up. Yeah. So we're gonna use the green arrow. Oh yeah, I like that. And then you know what? It looks like I should go like that. And then we'll bend the elbow a little bit. Maybe like that. Okay. And then, we'll twist the wrist. That's not twist. I clicked the green arrow. Oh, I like. We'll bend the wrist up just a smidgen more. Oh, okay. Fourth tip. Let's change the hand. Super, super easy. So I click on the hand. And then I can go over here to the hand preset. And then like there's all these different like hand types that I can use. And then I'll just click it and I'll drag it over there. And the reason why I click on that specific hand because I don't want this other hand changed. If I wanted both of the hands to change, then I wouldn't have clicked on the specific one. I would have just like select the whole body. But yeah, it's really cool. I like that. Now we're going to move this hand upwards. We're going to select this. I'm going to move the dot up. Up. There we go. Good job, good job, good job. We're going to move it forward with this little arrow. The blue arrow brings it forward. And then we're going to use a green arrow. No, I like that. I like that. And then we're going to use a red arrow, bring it over here. And I'm going to, I want it to bend. Go upwards. Ooh, and then we're going to use this red arrow to close that arm like that. And we'll do it like that. That's about good. That's good. That's good. Since it's a different body shape from the sketch, it's not going to be like exactly perfect, but that's okay. Now we're going to use this green arrow, bring it here. We'll use a blue arrow to close it, to push it back more. Blue arrow goes back. No. Like, good, good, good. Okay, I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, and then we will open the wrist a little bit. Because she's holding the don't care bear. And we'll just twist the wrist like this. Bring it a little forward. Nah, I think I'll keep her arm in. We'll just use the green line to bring the wrist in forward a little bit. I think we'll put it like that. Bring the wrist back. And we'll bring the arm in a little bit more. And then twist it out. And then bring it out a little bit. Twist it out a little bit. It's a little too close. Let's use the blue arrow. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay, so we got that posed. We got that pose. So I'm going to change the hand. So again, I'm just going to tap on the hand. And I'm going to go over here to the little arrow. If you want to find the material section and you cannot locate it, I go to Windows and I go to Material and I'll just click on anything here. And it'll pull up this little window area. But she is holding a bear. So I'm going to use, let's see this one. Does that look close to it? No, that's too hard of a grip. Let's try that one. No, it's more open-handed. Let's try that one. I could go in and individually change each finger and pose it. I don't feel like doing that. I'm just going to use the preset ones. Hold an egg. Hold an eraser. Nah. Hand gesture. That's good. That's the one. That's the one. I like that one. Where's my... Oh, carrots. Sorry, gotta take a break. Snack break, snack break. I love carrots. With ranch dressing. The best. Absolute best. Don't forget to subscribe if you like to see more tech talk tips from a Webtoon comic artist. Bye!